Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of our Offer Spotlight series. Today I am in Australia with Michael Lofty, our Executive Vice President for Home and Distribution. I am as well with Chris Kerr, managing the operation for Home and Distribution here in Australia. In this episode we want to take you through our Clipsal Solis range. Before to go in the detail, Michael, we spent the week together here in Pacific. May you tell us more about your view of home and distribution business here?
Thank you, Denis. Hello, Chris.
Hi.
It is so amazing to be here in the Pacific Zone and in Australia. I've been here the whole week and I have to say, I have been amazed by everything I have seen. Great brand, great teams, great customers, great customer knowledge, great customer intimacy, a lot of legacy and recognition to our brand as Schneider Electric and as Clipsal, with the electricians, installers, home builders, interior designers, and to all our extended customers, even with consumers. I've witnessed a fantastic team that really understands the market. I've witnessed a fantastic team here. I'm in Adelaide, where they really understand the customer needs, the installation habits, and how to really solve for customer problems. I've also witnessed and got to touch our Solis range that is really elevating the wiring devices game to a next level, taking it from just a light switch that turns off and on the light to an architectural element on the wall that really gives this home feeling to any house or any apartment or any office or any hotel that is in. I'm so excited for what to come in the next month and year, and the great success that the teams here with the leadership of Chris and all of our great H&D team here in the country will do with Solis. And I'm looking forward to come in 1 year from now to celebrate a great success and a milestone and a new benchmark that we will have it in the Australian market. Looking forward to it. Chris and Denis, thank you for all the great work that have been done so far by you and your teams. And I'm so excited to see what you guys will come up with.
Thanks a lot, Michael, for being with us this week. Chris, we started this journey 7 years ago with Iconic. We've enriched with the style, with essence. Then we put on the market our Iconic Pro Series. Now we are coming with our new Solis ranges, which is a new layer, leveraging this 40 meg platform. May you tell us more about wiring device and these Solis ranges?
Yeah, thank you, Denis, and it's a privilege to have Michael and Denis here in the market in Australia. Clipsal's been in Australia since 1920, so we recently just celebrated our 100-year anniversary. These ranges that we're bringing to the market will make sure that we're here for another 100 years. So we launched Iconic 7 years ago. It was a revolution in the market. A lot of thought and design, working with electricians, working with consumers so we've got to make sure a product that can work well for the electrician and also decorative for the consumer as well. So Michael mentioned around style and essence, all of those products that we've got that clip on the front really have brought an amazing level of enrichment. On our journey over the last couple of days, we've seen it everywhere. We saw a huge house in Australia, in Sydney, and that was just covered in Iconic. So it's a great digital platform, and with Solis, it's the next level. This is where we're bringing the back of Iconic and enriching that and bringing the front for the consumer as well. So an amazing decorative plates that we've got. I'm very excited. We've started talking to architects and designers and they just love the product. So already, before we've even launched it, we're selling it. So it's a really, again, a testament to the R&D team. So we're going to really grow this, and we welcome you back in a year to come and see the success of Solis. So thank you, Denis, and your team.
Thanks a lot, Chris. And here, this offer is a testament to our team's hard work, and I cannot wait to share its unique features with you. I have Gilles with me here, and who is going to unpack all the amazing detail of our Clipsal Solis range.
Thank you, Denis, and hello to all our viewers. I'm excited to introduce you to this truly unique product range, Clipsal Solis. I'm Gilles Bonnet, the offer manager for Future Offer. So what inspired this offer? Our inspiration was simply to bring the same attention to detail in our product as people are bringing to their home. With this in mind, we designed these products with 3 key objectives: elegance, simplicity, and connectivity. We've listened to you through our extensive market research and created 2 distinct range options. We've made sure that every product carries the signature of quality and style you expect from a Clipsal product. And when it comes to style and form, we've made a conscious choice to invest heavily in good design. Our new range feature real material and offer a unique touch and feel experience, elevating even the smallest interaction with a light switch. And of course, this new range is leveraging our Wiser connected system to offer a smart experience and allows the homeowner to manage their living space more effectively and intuitively. And finally, we are focused on sustainability, and every component, from packaging to the product itself, is designed with environmental responsibility in mind. We are proud to bring you a product that raises the bar for electrical design, quality and innovation. We hope our Clipsal Solis range inspires you to enhance your home with a style and smart functionality. Now back to you, Denis.
Thanks to all of you for that enlightening and engaging presentation. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the tireless efforts of our teams that I would like really to thank here, from the business, from the supply chain, from the operation here in Pacific. And as we are transferring this offer to our market, I would like to thank our customers, our partners who are in the center of the development and whom we will continue the journey together. As we wrap up, I would like to remind that we have other episodes to come. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected, stay inspired to our Spotlight series. See you soon.